Over the respiratory system. All right, so the question comes from chapter 16 and is essay question number 1, and it states to describe the anatomical and physiological features of the respiratory system that limit the establishment of pathogenic organisms. So first off, the respiratory system is basically two parts. The upper focuses on warming and filtering air. The lower just focuses on delivering air to the lungs. So first up, we have the paranasal sinuses. The paranasal sinuses are lined with mucous membranes that secrete mucus to trap any microbes. So that's one way that they help prevent pathogens from entering. And also, when the air enters the cavity, the mucus is moved by cilia towards the mouth and nose. Up next, we have the pharynx, and the pharynx has a structure called the epiglottis that basically closes to prevent any food or microorganisms to enter into the lung while swallowing. And then we have the lower respiratory tract. The lower respiratory tract is also lined by ciliated mucous membranes, and it contains something known as the mucociliary escalator, which basically moves microbes up and away from the lungs. And then we have respiratory infections. So there's some symptoms that come with respiratory infection that help prevent and get rid of pathogens in our system. So basically, like coughing, sneezing, that could release some of the pathogens, but the only problem that comes from this is that those pathogens could easily be passed on to a new host. And also, our body's healthy microbes compete with pathogens for space, and this results in the production of antimicrobial peptides. So there's a lot of ways that our body and our respiratory system help us get rid of pathogens and prevent these pathogens from entering our bodies. All right, and these are my references, and that is it. Thank you.